Hi, I'm Maya, and I love to read. Today, I'm going to read a book called Grow Up, David by David Shannon. David's big brother always said, "No, David. You're too little to play football with them. Stop following me." I guess he doesn't want him in the treehouse with him. Grow up, David. Using pencils as teeth. Very funny, David. Oh my, he tied his shoelaces together. David did it. He filled the toilet with toys and toilet paper. That's mine! Oh no, he ate all of his Halloween candy. Go ahead, call Mom. Oh no, he's bullying him. Give it back, David. I guess he took a drawing. Have a nice trip. Well, and he literally tripped him with a drink. Make me. He doesn't seem like a nice big brother. He hit me first. Maybe Mom will help out and do something about this. Thanks a lot, David. Oh my, look at that wreck. Well, I guess they're both in trouble. Want to play? Oh, are they gonna play together? David, are you okay? He sure doesn't look okay. Nice catch, Dave. The end. Sometimes two brothers don't get along, but that's nice that in the end they made up and played football together. If you like this book, make sure you check out my other videos. Bye!